As a project management expert, I often encounter teams and individuals who are eager to adopt structured approaches to their work but are constrained by budget. The good news is that the market for project management software has matured significantly, and there are now many excellent free options available. However, choosing the best free software isn't about finding a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding the tool that best fits your specific needs, team size, project complexity, and preferred methodology. It's crucial to understand that free usually comes with some limitations. These typically involve user limits, often restricted to a small number of users, e.g., 1 to 5 members. Project limits. You might be limited in the number of active projects you can manage. Storage limits. A cap on the amount of data and files you can store. Feature limitations. Advanced features like extensive reporting, integrations, custom automation, or specific views, like Gantt charts and some tools, might be reserved for paid plans. Support. Free plans usually offer community forums or basic email support, not priority access to technical assistance. Despite these limitations, free project management software can be incredibly powerful for individuals managing personal projects, startups and very small teams, 2 to 5 people, students learning project management principles, teams wanting to pilot a tool before investing in a paid version, managing simple, straightforward projects. Here's a breakdown of some of the top contenders for the best free project management software, highlighting their strengths and ideal use cases. 1. Trello, the visual Kanban king. Best for teams that thrive on visual task management, agile methodologies, especially Kanban, and straightforward workflows. Strengths. Intuitive interface. Trello's drag-and-drop Kanban boards are incredibly easy to understand and use, even for beginners. Tasks are represented as cards that move across lists, representing stages, like to do, in progress, done. Visual appeal. It's highly visual, making it simple to see project progress at a glance. Flexibility. While known for Kanban, its versatility allows it to be adapted for various simple workflows. Power UPS. Integrations. The free plan allows a limited number of Power UPS per board, which are essentially integrations with other tools or enhanced features, e.g., calendar view, custom fields. Limitations of free plan. Limited to 10 boards per workspace and restricted Power UPS. For larger teams or more complex projects, you'll hit a ceiling quickly. 2. Asana, the task management powerhouse. Best for teams that need strong task management, clear assignment of responsibilities, and a flexible structure for various project types. Strengths. Robust task management. Excellent for breaking down projects into tasks, subtasks, and assigning them to team members with due dates. Multiple views. Offers list, board, Kanban, and calendar views, providing flexibility in how you visualize your work. Collaboration features. Good for comments, file attachments, and basic communication directly within tasks. Generous free plan. Allows unlimited projects and tasks for up to 10 users, making it quite powerful for small teams. Limitations of free plan. Advanced features like Gantt charts, portfolios, custom fields, and extensive reporting are typically locked behind paid tiers. 3. ClickUp, the all-in-one aspirant. Best for teams looking for a highly customizable tool that can adapt to many different project management styles and want a wide array of features even in the free tier. Strengths. Feature-rich free plan. Offers an impressive number of features for a free plan, including unlimited tasks and users, various views, list, board, calendar, Gantt-like, table, and basic reporting. High customizability. Allows users to tailor almost every aspect, from task statuses to custom fields. Versatile. Can be used for agile, waterfall, or hybrid methodologies. Collaboration. Strong communication features built into tasks. Limitations of free plan. While generous, some advanced features like extensive automation, certain integrations, and higher storage limits require an upgrade. The sheer number of features can also be overwhelming for new users. 4. Zoho projects, traditional PM for small teams. Best for small teams or individuals who appreciate traditional project management features like Gantt charts and basic issue tracking, especially if they already use other Zoho products. Strengths. Classic PM features. Includes milestones, task lists, tasks, subtasks, and basic Gantt charts even in the free plan. Integration with Zoho ecosystem. Seamlessly integrates with other Zoho applications if you're already using them, e.g., Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk. Issue tracking. Offers basic bug or issue tracking, which is valuable for software development or quality assurance projects. Limitations of free plan. Limited to 3 users and 2 projects, and 10 megabytes of storage. It also restricts some advanced reporting and customizability. 5. Freedcamp. A comprehensive free option. Best for teams seeking a wide array of core project management features for free, with potential to scale to paid add-ons. Strengths. Feature-packed. Offers task lists, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, calendars, discussions, milestones, time tracking, and even a basic wiki in its free version. Unlimited users and projects. A standout feature for a free tool, allowing larger teams or many projects without hitting a user limit. User-friendly. Generally considered easy to set up and navigate. Limitations of free plan. While core features are free, many advanced functionalities and crucial add-ons, like CRM, invoicing, or more integrations, are paid.